In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account to QuickBooks Online seamlessly. If you're just getting started with managing your finances, or even if you're looking for a refresher to ensure everything's running smoothly, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and make sure you get everything set up efficiently. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks Online. Head over to quickbooks.intuit.com and log in with your username and password. Make sure you have your login details at the ready, as you'll need easy access to both QuickBooks and your bank information throughout this process. Once you've logged into QuickBooks Online, it's time to navigate to the banking section. Look over to the left-hand menu and you'll spot the option called Banking. Sometimes it's labeled as Transactions, and under that you'll find Banking. This is your hub for connecting and managing your bank accounts within QuickBooks. Now let's get down to the main task: connecting your bank account. You'll need to click on the link account, or in some versions, the add account button located at the top right corner of the page. QuickBooks will then prompt you to search for your bank's name. Type it into the search bar, and once you see your bank listed, go ahead and select it. Next up is signing in to your bank through QuickBooks. Enter your bank login credentials, that's your username and password, and follow any additional security steps your bank might require, for example, two-factor authentication. It's an added layer of security, and while it might add a few seconds to the process, it's well worth it for the peace of mind. With your bank information securely entered, you'll see a list of accounts. Choose which of your bank accounts you want to connect to QuickBooks. This could be your checking, savings, credit card, or a combination of these. Once you've made your selections, click Connect or Continue, depending on what the prompt on your screen says. Now you'll want to be patient, as QuickBooks automatically imports your recent transactions. Typically, it will bring in the last 90 days of transactions. This import process can take a few moments, so it's a good time to take a breather knowing your financial data is making its way into your accounting software. After everything is imported, it's time to review and categorize your transactions. Head back to the banking page, where you'll notice the transactions under the For Review tab. Carefully go through each transaction, categorize them as accurately as possible, and click Add to ensure they're properly included in your books. This step keeps everything organized and prepares you for accurate financial reporting. Finally, make reconciling a regular habit. After importing, regularly check your bank statements against QuickBooks Online to ensure everything is accurate. Keeping this a consistent routine will help maintain your financial records' integrity. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account to QuickBooks Online, paving the way for streamlined financial management. Happy bookkeeping!